Hello everyone, I am Rishika, pursuing third year BTech from BV Raju Institute of Technology, Narsapur. In this video, I'll explain the creation of n8n workflow using AI Travel Planner. The steps included in this video are creation of lovable so that the visitors can submit their travel details. Then the data is sent to n8n via webhook. Then AI agent uses an LLM to generate unstructured trip details. Then it will send the formatted plans to the visitors via email and stores them in a Google Sheets. Now coming to the development of first step, that is creation of website. This is the website I have created for this n8n workflow, which includes the main page, that is tell us about your trip. That is, here we will submit some details like our destination and our current city and preferred places to visit in the destination. For example, in Pune I want to visit these places. Then the start date is 29th, I have selected 29th. Then the end date is September 1st, and the budget is economic, standard, luxury. I have selected luxury, and the flight, train, buses, car, and other are mode of transport. And here we can adjust the number of peoples, and we will enter the email so that we can send the travel plan to the visitors. Now, to get all this data of lovable which is entered by the user, we will use webhook in n8n workflows to fetch the data from lovable platform, that is AI travel planner, to our n8n workflow. Here we are using this post URL to link our lovable platform with our n8n workflow. By using this, we will get all the data entered from our lovable to our n8n workflow. Here, I have used AI agent so that we can plan a detailed travel plan to the user. In this platform, first of all, in the prompt, we will define below. We'll have two options, that is connect chart trigger node and define below. Define below means we will get the information from the previous node, we will keep them here. For example, from lovable we have got the destination, cities to be visited, and our current city, and our start date and end date of the trip, and including our budget, mode of transport, and number of people and need. Will get all this information from webhook, which is integrated to lovable. So in the next step of this AI agent, we will use the system message. This is used to create the output, that is the travel plan to the user, and send them to via email. Here it will give a a professional solution to the problem. This here we will give and prompt the user so that it will give the accurate answers to the visitors. Here we have integrated three more outputs, that is the summary of the trips and the day by day plan and the tips for the trip. And these are already given by the input, that is visitor. So now let us go back, and we have used the chat model, that is Gemini chat model, which is free to use. We can simply use it how many times as we can want. And here I have created a Google Sheet where we can store the details in a structured format. You can see here the email, destination, current city, preferred places, these are all are given by the visitor. And these three blocks, that is the summary, day by day, schedule, and tips are given through AI agent. Now coming to the email block. Here we will send the prompt to the user exactly in the format they want. That is, first of all, we'll provide some greetings to them. Then we will give the complete text here. Then they also will provide the details they have provided to us, and we will thank them for using our app. Now let us run this workflow once so that we can see how it is gonna work. First of all, we have to activate the workflow. Then we have to execute workflow. So it is waiting for the URL to be called. So we have to go to the our lovable website and we have to select the details. As we have already discussed what are there here and what we have to select. There are different options. Now if we select plan my trip, here we got the prompt that our chart model is working on it. Now coming to the model, see it is working. The email is sent. Now let us check whether the email is sent or not. See here we got the email that traveled a trip for 4 days from Pune to Hyderabad, which gives the day by day schedule so that what we have to visit morning, afternoon, evening, including their meals and the tips for the traveling. Now let us see about the Google Sheets here. See, these are the information I have already collected. Now we have run the workflow of this, which is from Pune to Hyderabad. See, this has given the start date, end date, our mode of transport, our days to visit each place, and tips to travel, tips while traveling. See, now we can see that this is the complete workflow for creation of AI travel planner, which helps the users very easily to travel without any further queries and helps the user to not waste their time. And this workflow is very helpful for integrating to many other projects. The major difficulties I faced in this project are here I cannot detect this data very accurately because this format is in JSON. So first of all, we have to convert this code given by the agents to the normal text using this code function where I have changed the JSON file to the normal text file in this format and which gives an output like this. Yeah, this will give an output like this. Now coming back, this project had helped me very lot, and I thank Mirai team for helping us develop this project. Thank you. See you again.